Hi, today we're gonna make chicken with black mushroom, Chinese black mushroom. The meat we're gonna use is around a pound of chicken chunk, like chunk of chicken like that. And you can use any kind of chicken, like chicken breast or chicken legs, and dark or white or anything, any chicken. But today we're using a chicken drumstick, the meat from the drumstick. That you cut it chunk, and also I even leave with little skin on it. So and the mushroom, you have to soak this black mushroom, dry one overnight. Like put water in it and soak it overnight, and after that you cut them in half. Cut it in half like that, and that should be okay. And also that I cook with mushroom and some onions, and jumbo onions and green onion. Okay, now we're gonna marinate that meat with a little white pepper and salt. And you mix them up. A bit of couple teaspoon of sesame seed oil and some cornstarch. You're cooking the chicken today. We marinate the chicken. We don't use egg because we don't want the sticky on the outside of meat. So we just wanted cornstarch in it. No eggs. Just some uh, some moisture from the meat. Just like that. So that's fine. Then also some oil. Okay. Okay. Then after that, we're gonna start. We're gonna start making that, cooking it, and you heat up the wok and put some oil, vegetable oil, any kind of oil in it. Just try that much oil in it, and okay. And you put the meat in it. I use a little bit bigger chunk. Cut it any size you want it. So you're browning them first. And like that. And after that, we're gonna put some a few slices of gingers and little garlic in it. Also that the mushroom. and regular onion. And put half the green onions in it. So we're going to put about 4 tablespoons of cooking sherry. And about 3 sesame seed oil, 3 teaspoons of oil, sesame seed oil, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and a couple 2 teaspoons of sugar. And some white pepper. And after that, we're gonna put some because the chicken is big chunk, you know. So we're gonna put some chicken broth in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How about 10? 10 chicken broth, 10 tablespoons of chicken broth. Okay, then you cover them up. Well, probably for a few minutes. Okay, that's around 5 minutes. Okay, so you can see the like that. Okay, and now we just put the last stuff in it. We're gonna put 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. And you put the last onions in. You cook it longer the better, because at least you need a few minutes to cook the black mushroom down, you know, to kind of make it kind of tender and put the seasoning in it, the flavor in it. And that's why you have to cook it at least 5 to 10 minutes, you know, to do that. Okay, I think that's about done. Okay, that's a chicken with Chinese black mushroom.